Hello and welcome to our video about 15 weird foods around the world. In this video, we will show you some of the most unusual and exotic dishes that people eat in different countries. Some of these foods might surprise you, shock you, or even make you hungry. Let's get started. 1. Balut, Philippines. Balut is a boiled duck egg that contains a partially developed embryo inside. It is a popular street food in the Philippines and is considered a delicacy by many Filipinos. Balut is usually eaten with salt, vinegar, or chili sauce. 2. Casu, Marzu, Italy. Casu Marzu is a type of cheese that is infested with live maggots. The cheese is made from sheep's milk and is left to rot until the maggots appear. The maggots help to ferment the cheese and give it a strong flavor. Casu Marzu is illegal in most countries, but some people in Sardinia still enjoy it. 3. Hákarl, Iceland. Hákarl is a dish made from fermented shark meat. The shark is buried underground for several months to let it decompose and then hung to dry for another few months. Hákarl has a pungent smell and a strong ammonia taste. It is usually eaten with a shot of Brennivin, a local liquor. 4. Escamoles, Mexico. Escamoles are the edible larvae and pupae of ants that live in the roots of agave plants. They are harvested by digging up the nests and collecting the white, soft, and nutty-tasting insects. Escamoles are often fried with butter and spices and served as a taco filling or a side dish. 5. Durian, Southeast Asia. Durian is a fruit that has a spiky shell and a creamy flesh. It is known for its distinctive smell, which some people find pleasant and others find repulsive. Durian has a sweet and custardy flavor and is rich in nutrients. It is eaten raw or used in various desserts and dishes. 6. Century egg, China. Century egg is a preserved egg that has been soaked in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, lime, and rice hulls for several weeks or months. The egg white turns into a dark brown jelly and the yolk becomes green and creamy. Century egg has a strong odor and a salty taste. It is often eaten with pickled ginger or soy sauce. 7. Sannakji, South Korea. Sannakji is a dish that consists of live octopus that has been cut into small pieces and served with sesame oil and sesame seeds. The octopus pieces are still wriggling and can stick to the mouth or throat with their suction cups. Sannakji is considered a delicacy by some Koreans who enjoy the fresh and chewy texture. 8. Fugu, Japan. Fugu is a type of pufferfish that contains a deadly toxin in its organs and skin. Fugu can only be prepared by licensed chefs who know how to remove the poisonous parts and avoid contamination. Fugu has a mild and delicate flavor and is usually sliced thinly and served raw as sashimi. 9. Surströmming, Sweden. Surströmming is a type of fermented herring that is canned and left to age for at least 6 months. The can swells up due to the pressure of the gases produced by the fermentation process. Surströmming has a very strong smell that can make people gag or vomit. It is usually eaten outdoors with bread, potatoes, onions, and sour cream. 10. Kopi Luwak, Indonesia. Kopi Luwak is a type of coffee that is made from beans that have been eaten and excreted by civets, small cat-like animals that live in the forests of Indonesia. The civets select the ripest and best beans to eat and digest them partially, leaving behind the beans in their feces. The beans are then collected, cleaned, roasted, and ground to make coffee. Kopi Luwak has a smooth and rich flavor and is one of the most expensive coffees in the world. 11. Witchetty Grub, Australia. Witchetty grub is a large white larva of a moth that lives in the roots of witchetty bushes in the Australian outback. It is an important source of protein for the Aboriginal people who eat it raw or cooked over fire. Witchetty grub has a nutty flavor and a crunchy texture. 12. Rocky Mountain oysters, USA. Rocky Mountain oysters are not actually oysters, but rather the testicles of bulls, pigs, or sheep that have been deep-fried or grilled. They are a traditional dish in some parts of the American West and are often served with dipping sauces or bread. 13. Fried tarantula, Cambodia. Fried tarantula is a snack that originated in Cambodia during the Khmer Rouge regime, when people had to eat whatever they could find to survive. Today, fried tarantula is a popular street food that attracts tourists and locals alike. The spiders are seasoned with salt, garlic, and sugar and fried until crispy. They are said to taste like crab or chicken. 14. Bird's nest soup, China. Bird's nest soup is a soup that is made from the edible nests of swiftlets, small birds that live in caves and cliffs in Southeast Asia. The nests are made from the saliva of the birds and have a gelatinous texture. They are soaked, boiled, and sweetened with sugar or honey to make the soup. Bird's nest soup is considered a delicacy and a tonic in Chinese culture. 15. Guinea pig, Peru. Guinea pig is a type of rodent that is native to South America and is commonly kept as a pet in many countries. However, in Peru, guinea pig is also a traditional food that dates back to the pre-Columbian era. Guinea pigs are roasted whole on a spit or fried in a pan and served with potatoes, corn, or salad. They have a gamey flavor and a lot of bones. We hope you enjoyed this video about 15 weird foods around the world. Which one would you try or avoid? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.